In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Audio-Technica Turntable to Bluetooth speakers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up any sort of Bluetooth-compatible speakers, soundbar, or even headphones that you have and connect it to a turntable from Audio-Technica. Now, the one that I have selected for this video is the LP60XBT, but of course, any turntable compatible with Bluetooth devices will work. I'm going to show you in specific instructions for this one. However, in general, it should be the same approach for any other model that you have. So all that you have to do is set up pairing mode on both devices so they can detect each other and automatically set themselves up. So on your Audio-Technica turntable, look for a Bluetooth button to put it into pairing mode. You might have to check the manual. If you cannot find a physical button like this one, it could be a combination of different buttons, but basically you need to enter pairing mode on the Audio-Technica turntable. With this done, you simply have to do the exact same thing on your set of speakers, soundbar, or headphones. So most speakers will have a physical button that you can press to put them into pairing mode. So press and hold that button for a couple of seconds until you see some sort of indication like the LED flashing. When they go into pairing mode, both devices will automatically pair themselves up with each other. So just make sure that they are in close proximity and they will automatically detect themselves. Now, if you notice that this doesn't happen even after a couple of tries, make sure that there is no interference around the room. I recommend turning off any other devices that might have Bluetooth capabilities as well, such as your phone, a TV, a computer, and so on. By leaving the Audio-Technica turntable and the speaker in close proximity, both in pairing mode, you will be able to have them connect themselves automatically to each other. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Audio-Technica turntable to Bluetooth speakers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.